Today I'm going to show you how to make money online without you even paying anything. I'm introducing you to a platform which the name is called GramFree. GramFree is a platform which you can make money online. It's very simple and easy. You can make your money in gram, weigh it up to 500 gram, then you push it to your account, then transfer it to your currency, and it's very simple and easy. Simple. You can just sign up with your Facebook, or you sign up with your Google. All you have to do is just signing smart contract, free rules, inviting your friends, watching video. You just have only 3 videos to watch in a day, and praying lottery. You have to roll 5 times in a day. It's very simple and easy, and the maximum withdrawal rate is 500 gram. Once your gram is up to 500 gram, you are free to withdraw it. Thanks.